Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to learn about trigonometric formulas. What is trigonometry formulas? Cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Cosec means take it as CSC. You have to cross this O1E, CSC comes. The center S is there, no? So 1 by sin theta. Ends with C, right? So 1 by cos theta. The ends with T, right? So 1 by tan theta. This is the formula. So tan is sin theta by cos theta. It goes up. So cos theta by sin theta is called cot theta. Secant is 1 by cos. Cosec is sin theta. This is the formula. Already I uploaded the video of sin 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, cos, tan. Now we will see cosec, sec and cot. You see here in this case, cosec 1 by sin. So 1 by sin means, you see already we know the sin value. 1 by 0, what comes? Not defined. So you have to write not defined. So 1 by sin, no, 1 by 2. So it goes up. So 2. So cosec is, this one is 2. The same way, this is 1 by root 2. It goes up. So root 2 is the 45 degree. This is reverse, 2 by root 2. So 1 by 1 is 1. The same way, sec means 1 by cos. So 1 by cos. 1 by cos is 1 by 1 is 1. This one is 2 by root 3. This one is root 2. 2. 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Next, cot. Cot is 1 by tan. Otherwise, what comes? 1 by sin by cos. Cos is goes up. So cos by sin. Now we know the tan value. So directly we will take 1 by tan. So 1 by tan is 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0 value? Not defined. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. This is 0. Next, identity formula. What are the identity formulas? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is identities. Sin and cos. You keep it cos here. This one is goes this side. So 1 minus sin square theta. You have to keep it sin square theta this side. The cos square theta is goes this side, means 1 minus cos square theta. This two formulas you have to take it from this formula. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. The same way, you have to keep it 1 here, keep it 1 here. This tan square theta goes this side. So what comes? 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. This is the formula. You have to by heart this one. In this you have to write this formula. The same way, cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. So you have to keep 1 here. This cot square theta goes this side. So what comes? 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This is the formula. We have to bypass this formula. These are the formulas that are available in trigonometry. We will solve the problems based on this formula. Thanks for watching this video.